Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review and an unboxing on these NEEWER side handles. So this is all you get in the box, are these two side handles, and you get the Allen wrench to help tighten them down. I'm going to install these on the NEEWER S24 phone cage. So I've got the phone cage installed. I got the phone installed in the phone cage, which is really easy to do. Now I can screw these handles on the side here. There's a little spot like that. So if I want to do vertical shooting, I can put it like that. All right. And if I want to get it really tight, put my Allen wrench in there and I can use that to tighten that down. But then I can also loosen this. That's a different size. So I could loosen that and rotate these handles a little bit. But let's do a measurement. 7.5 inches there, sticks out about 1 inch. And I can put, if I want to do landscaping, which I put that on too tight now. In the same cage, now I can put it either here or here. I got 2 spots. And again, I can't put it down there on that side. I can only put it, the side with the charging point, I can only put it at the top. So in vertical or horizontal, almost 11, 10 3/4 inches. It's a nice grip. Yeah, I like it. It gives me a good stability. This is knurled so that I can really grab it and tighten it down myself. And I can rotate these handles. And if I need to, there is an Allen screw there that I could tighten those up even more. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.